how to check Shopify store revenue, spy on competitors, and check on their stores. Hello, everyone. In this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through on how you can spy a competitor's store. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to come to Google and write myip.ms, then go in a new tab and search for Koala Inspector and add this extension onto your browser. Now, here's what's going to be happening. Koala Inspector is going to take out the analytics for someone else's website, whereas myip.ms will find the website for you to spy on. So what you're going to do is you're going to come up here in the IP section and write 23.227.38.0. You're going to go with who is lookup. Once you do that, it's going to give you this, where it's going to give you all the ranges of IP, and you're going to go to other sites on IP. Now, what this will do is it will load all the other sites that are on the Shopify IP. So let's say we have gymshark.com. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over ahead to gymshark.com over here, and it's going to load gymshark.com. Okay. So gymshark.com, very famous Shopify website. Let's check out its revenues. Okay. So to check out its revenues, we're going to open up Koala Inspector. Okay, first of all, obviously, you're going to make sure to go to this website. It's a Shopify website. We are going to pin the Koala Inspector over here, and you're obviously going to open it up. You can unlock the download by obviously pinning it, but once we're over here, we're going to come here, click the Koala Inspector, and here you are. So it's going to ask you for your email address and everything. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly add that. Okay, it's a really simple process, doesn't take a lot of time. So just take some time out to add these things for yourself, opt in for the actual subscriptions. And once you do that, it brings you to post install, and you can enter any Shopify store. So in my case, I'm going to go ahead and enter Gymshark. Okay. So if it's a headless Shopify shop, it might not let you pass, but if it's not, it will easily let you pass. So let's say we have this one, which is a non-headless one. So you have foam and soap. This is a Shopify store, and if you want to see its revenue, you're going to click on it. And as you can see, it starts downloading and detecting the Shops app, where it gives you the proper structure. You can see their ad campaigns. You can see all the analytics, insights, and revenue that it generates. So you're just going to wait for it to check everything out, and you're also going to see all the product stats. It's going to load these things up for you. What's the first published product, the last one, lowest price, highest price, and the average price. And if you want to find the final revenue, you can simply come over here and add in their value. So let's say their traffic is this much people, conversion rate is this much, and average product price is this much. So according to Qual app, it the people at Gymshark earning $35 million yearly, which is quite a lot of money. So yeah, that's the basic idea of how you are going to spy on your Shopify competitors. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.